Hey guys, so it's been about a week of school so far, and every time I go, I do online. I'm not doing in person, and I don't plan on doing in person because it seems really unsafe either way. And every time I'm there, I usually have a snack with me, so I thought I should make one, and I should make my own snack because sometimes I'll have animal crackers or wheat thins or something. So I thought it'd be fun for a video to make a snack. I'm going to be making oatmeal chocolate snack cakes. And it seems pretty interesting. And I thought it was like a pretty healthy snack too, so I would try it out. The first thing I'm going to do is I have my flour in here. Then I have my oats. And I'm going to combine that together. And then I have my baking soda and salt in here. And I'm just going to whisk this together, all of my dry ingredients. Also, I'm going to include the link to this recipe down below. That seems pretty good. Just whisk it together a little bit. And now over here I have all my wet ingredients, and here I have my butter. Then I'm going to add my applesauce, which seems really interesting. I don't know how that's going to taste with applesauce. I hope it tastes good because I've never tried this before. So there's that. And then I'm going to add my egg. I'll probably have to carefully add the brown sugar because I don't want it to splatter everything. There we go. Now I'm going to whisk this together as well. Looks a little gross, but I hope it tastes good. Now I have my wet ingredients all in here, and I have my dry ingredients in here, and I'm just going to mix them together. Now I'm going to mix this. And the consistency is pretty weird, but I guess it's supposed to be like a chocolate. Well, it says it's a snack cake. I thought more of like a granola bar or something. That probably looks, yeah, pretty good. And now I'm going to add my chocolate chips over here. Mix all that together as well. And then I already have my pan ready, and my oven is already preheated. So then all I'll have to do is put it in my loaf pan. That seems pretty good. Now I have my mixture in my loaf pan, and I'm going to bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes. So now it's all done baking, and instead of using like the baking or cooking spray, I used foil. You know, it was a lot easier to just pop it right out of the pan. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I want to get a middle piece. Ooh, you can see all the chocolate inside. It looks pretty good. I hope it tastes good. If I can grab it on my fork. There's so much chocolate in here. Go. So I think it tasted really good. It tasted really chocolatey, and I think it's more of a dessert than a snack. I feel like if I'm like, you know, in class, I want to grab a piece and get chocolate everywhere. Since there's so much, you can see there's more, and it's all over the plate. So yeah, I think I'll eat it more as a dessert. But it tasted pretty good. You can taste the oatmeal, and I can't really tell that there's applesauce in there. I thought it was going to taste weird with applesauce or have a weird consistency, but I think the applesauce was to help it stick together a little bit. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.